Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you are staying indoors and staying safe. You are not troubling your parents too much, are you? Good job. We have reached lesson 23. We will learn long O sound. If you haven't seen all the previous lessons already, please check the playlist and see all the previous lessons first. Let's start with the long O sound. Long O sound sounds much like the letter itself. O. Say with me. O. Just like other long vowel sounds, the long O is also made with different combinations of letters. Sometimes the letter O on its own makes the long O sound, like this. Go. No. Another combination is when there are some consonants, then and O, some consonants again, and the word ends with an E. Like this. Bone. Bone. Hope. Hope. Another way to make a long O is when you have O and A together. Like this. Boat. Boat. Toad. Toad. Right. Sometimes when you see O and W together, it makes a long O sound. Like this. Bow. Bow. Can you think of another example? Flow. Flow. Good. And lastly, when you have O and E together, that makes a long O sound. Like this. Toe. Toe. Foe. Foe. Good job. Let's see some examples. But as I say, you need to practice more to be able to recognize the long O sound. Let's get started. No. No. Focus. Focus. Bone. Bone. Hole. Hole. Drove. Drove. Boat. Boat. Toast. Toast. Bloat. Bloat. Bow. Bow. Grow. Grow. Toe. Toe. Dough. Dough. Good job. Practice some more with the help of your parents, and you can even try to write these words with their help. Follow these steps to see the playlist I have created with all the other lessons. We will meet in the next lesson to see long U sound. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.